Hello, good morning. So yesterday was a good day, so getting out, speaking to people. It's nice to see Jim Wally again. Hi Jim. I've got a couple of presentations to give next week, one for the Australian Computer Society and another for Front-End Developers Adelaide. I'm going to talk about how I actually produced the first version of Verbalize.science completely code-free, which will be fun. Alright, so this opportunity's just come up. It's a fringe show and it's about physics, and they want a 6-minute presentation on anything. It can be stand-up, it can be a presentation, it can be song, dance, poetry, whatever you want. I don't really have anything, but I feel like it's a good opportunity to test out an idea that I've had, so I'd have to work really hard to practice it. Maybe it's a good opportunity to, once again, practice what I preach, which is take risks, try new things, and if they don't work, no worries, learn from them. Remember to take breaks. Alright, so you've got to give a presentation. What I'm going to show you now is where I start. It's super simple, 3 steps, and it lays the foundations for a perfect narrative and story. The problem is scientists just aren't being told how to communicate. When I was a scientist, it was just do what others do. Cram your slides full of data and just hope for the best. But things are changing. Scientists are being trained now to communicate more efficiently, and using this exact same process, I have been able to win pitching competitions. There's a thing, Science Needs Story, which I found about when I was in South by Southwest a year ago, and it has transformed the way I create presentations. And the simple technique is using the A-B-T approach of storytelling. Okay, the A. And when you start speaking, people are going to have to position you in their mind. Are you a physicist? Are you a biologist? Do you work on really small things? Do you work on really big things? This is your opportunity just to sort of set the landscape to make sure people know what to expect from your talk. Step 2 is the but, and this is the most important thing. Scientists don't do this enough. The but is the problem statement that you're trying to solve. Now, for each presentation, it should be one problem statement. What's the one biggest problem that you're solving with your research? And the last thing is the T, the therefore. Therefore, you are doing research into something. Therefore, you have done this thing and you have found. That is the simple structure. Okay, let's go do this talk. Hello, so now I'm off to Samba after a hard day of work. Alright, we arrived. Time for Samba practice. Staying away from these people because they look scary. But now I'm off to the pub. I'm going to go sleep. See ya.